Hello, today's topic is on modulo arithmetic and our core mathematics. Modulo arithmetic and our core mathematics. Our objective today is modulo arithmetic table. So we are going to deal with modulo arithmetic table. We have modulo arithmetic table are usually constructed under addition and multiplication. Modulo arithmetic table usually constructed under addition and multiplication for a given modulo. Given modulo n, the table is constructed using the number 0, 2, n minus 1. Okay, so we have this. So mode 5, we talk about this one already. The set of value are 0 up to 4. Okay, that's why I say n minus 1. If n is 5, just subtract and keep on subtracting 1. Okay, so for mode 6, and this is the table that we are normally going to deal with, modulo arithmetic. So we are going to solve example under the modulo arithmetic table. This is my first example under modulo arithmetic table. Draw an addition table for arithmetic modulo 6. Use your table to find I, and I. So it's in mode 6. So this is our table and it's addition. So this is my addition and it's mode 6. And we talk about mode 6. We said that mode 6 is from 0 to 5. Okay, from 0 to 5. Mode 7 is from 0 to 6. We talk about all these things. So mode 6 is 0 to 5, then here to 0 to 5. We are going to add then in mode 6. And we are saying that if you add and the answer is less than the mode, and then it means that it's the same answer. Good. So if the difference is less than the mode, then it's the same answer. So we start from here. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 in mode 6. It's still 1. This one plus 2 is still 1. So all of these are less than the mode that the 6. So it's the same. The same applies here. This is how we fill the table. Examination to save time. 1 mode 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 mode 6 is still 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 mode 6 is still 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4 mode 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 mode 6. And 1 plus 5 is 6. And 6 mode 6 is 0. Okay, so 6 minus 6 is 0. The remainder is 0. So 6 mode 6 is 0. Very nice. Let's move on. 2. So here, 2 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 mode 6 is still 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 mode 6 is still 4. 2 plus 3 is 6. And 6, 2 plus 3 is 5. And 5 mode 6 is still 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. And 6 mode 6 is 0. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 7 mode 6 is 1. Then you move on to 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 mode 6 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 mode 6 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. That's what? 0, because 6 mode 6 is 0. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 mode 6 is 1. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 mode 6 is 2. Then 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. That's 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 mode 6 is 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 mode 6 is 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 mode 6 is 2. 4 plus 5 is 3. 3 mode 4 plus 5 is 8. 8 mode 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 6 mode 6 is 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 mode 6 is 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 mode 6 is 2. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 mode 6 is 3. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 mode 6 is 4. So you are done with the table. Very nice and very interesting topic. From the table, I. So let's check 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5. So 2 here plus 5. So it's here. It's 1. 2 plus 5. So the 2 here plus 5 is 1. Good. Then 5 plus 2. So there's 5 here plus 2. Okay, still 1. So let's sign. Then still 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's it. It is 2. Yeah. Good. For I 4. On the table, from the table, 4 plus 4. So it's here. That's 2. Good. I. We want a number. 4 plus a number give us 0. So let's check the 4. Here is 4 column. And we have 0 here. Okay, 4 plus a number give us 0. So we check here. This is the 4. We check here. We have 0 here. So it's what? Let's trace it. It's 2. Okay, good. We can even check here. 4 plus a number give us 0. Still 2. Okay, same thing. So let me check from the table. 4 plus 2 is 0. Is 0. So therefore, our K is 2. Very simple and very interesting topic for Modulo. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. The tool set for K is this. So our second example on Modulo Arithmetic and our Modulo Arithmetic Table. This is our second example. Construct a table for multiplication modulo 6 for a set S. So we're giving a set. You know that modulo 6 from 0 to 5. Good, but we're giving a set where is 0. So the set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use your table to find I, and I. So this is my table. So you're now going to draw the table. And it's multiplication. And this is the set given. Good. So you are taking one after the other. So 1 times 1, both set is 1. Because we said that if the number is less than the 6, the same number, okay? 1 times 2 in mode set is 2. So it applies for all. The same applies here. Good. 1 times 2 times 1, 2 times 2 rather, is 4. 4 mode set is 4 because 4 is less. 2 times 6, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 mode 6 is 0. So if I subtract 6 from 6 is 0 if I use the repeated subtraction formula. 2 times 4 is 8. So 6 from 8, that's 2 because it's in mode 6. 2 times 10, mode 6. So 6 from 10, I had 4. 3 times 2 in mode 6 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 mode 6. So if I subtract 6 from 9, it's 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So here, out of that 6 from 12, I have 6. So if I sub 6 again, is 0. Okay. So the remainder is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. So I'll subtract 6 from 15, subtract until I get a number which is less than the 6, or I will use the division. So 15 divided by 6, then I use the mixed fraction, then the remainder is 3. We talked about this one in our previous video, how to look for it. 4 times 2 is 8, 8 mod, 6 is 2. 4 times 3 is 12, and that one is 0. 4 times 4, 16, and 16 mod 6. So we just divide, then the remainder is 4. 4 times 5 is 20, 20 mod 6, the remainder is 2. 5 times 2 is 10, that I already know. 5 times 15 mod 6, you already know the answer. 5 times 4 is 20, you already know the answer, mod 6. 5 times 4 is 25 mod 6. If you divide, you add what? 1. Good, so we are done with the table. So let's use our table to solve for I. 4 times 2. So here is our 4 times the 2 is 2. Good. I. So from here, let's build this. 1 times the 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. Then continue. 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 1. Continue. 2 times 4. So it's 2. Good. So then we come again. 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Then continue. Good. Then I put the 2 down here. 4 times the 2 from the table in Moses. So 4 times the 2 is 2. Good. I. M times M is M in Moses from the table. So a number times itself, you get the same number. So 1 times 1, yeah, I have this thing. 1 times 1 is 1. Good. Let's move on. 2 times 2 is 4. No, then it's not that one. 3 times 3 is 3. So, okay, let's check 4. 4 times 4 is 4. Good. Let me check 5. 5 times 5 is 1. No. So the numbers is 1, 3, 4. So that's the M. M is 1, 3, 4. So the true set is M is said that M is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, or 4. That's for the Modulo Arithmetic. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Modulo Arithmetic, and we are still on the Modulo Arithmetic table, and this one will be our example 3, but this time is the combination of modulo and binary, and we have talked about binary form 1, binary operations. Good. The operation star is defined by A star B is AB plus 2 in arithmetic modulo 5. So it's 2:1. Okay. So we are giving binary and modulo. Draw a table for the set 1, 2, 3, 4. So mode 5 is from 0 to 4. By here we're giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. B, use the table to find I and II. So this is my table. You have to draw the table, and our operation here is star. So we are given 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So 1 star, using the definition A star B is AB plus 2. The first one, 1 star 1 is 1 times 1 plus 2, which is 3 mod 5, and 3 mod 5 is 3 because it's less than the 5. So just write on the table 93. Then 1 star 2, that's 1 times 2 plus 2, and it's 4. 4 mod 5 is less than the 5, so it's 4. 1 star 3, that's 1 times 3 plus 2, and that is 5. 5 mod 5 is 0. The remainder is 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Or divide 5 by 5. The remainder is 0. Good. So you write it nicely. 1 times 4. 1 star 4 is 1 times 4 plus 2. And it says 6 mod 5 is 1. Yeah, I'll use the repeated subtraction. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Just write it nicely. And 2. So 2 star 1. So you are there with 2 star 1 is 1. The same here. Is 4. 1 star 2 is 4. So meaning that 2 star 1 is 4. Okay, so I'll not do that thing again. 2 star 2, we don't have that one. So that's 2 times 2 plus 2. That 6 mod 5 is 1. So just write it. 2 star 3, then 8 mod 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 star 4, that's 2 times 4 plus 2. That's 5 mod 5 is 0. 3 star 1. So I have 1 star 3. Okay. So 3 star 1, 1 star 3. So it's commutative. Okay. So 3 star 1, that one is 0. So just write it. 3 star 2. You have 3 star 2 here. Yes. So you have 2 star 3. We have 3. So 3 star 2. That one is also 3. But 3 star 2 is 3. So here 2 is 3. Good. 3 star 3. Now 3 star 3 here. So 3 star 3 is 3 times 3 plus 2. And that's 11 mod 5. So 11 mod 5 is 6. Then I'll subtract again. Then I'll get what? 1. Okay. So if I subtract, I'll get 6 in mod 5. So I'll just subtract again, add 1. Or you can use the mixed fraction to find the remainder. 3 star 4. That one we don't have. And that one too. This is the answer. 4 star 1, we already have 1 star 4. So 4 star 1, 1 star 4 was 1. So 4 star 1, 2 is 1. 4 star 2, we have 2 star 4, which is 0. So 4 star 2, 2 is 0. 4 star 3, so that one, we have 4. Then 4 star 4, that's 4 times 4 plus 2. And 18 mod 5. Can you do this fraction? 18 divided by 5. Then the remainder is 3. So this is for this. Let's continue. So now you have the table. So you can solve the B. So you are done with the table. You are done with the table. So we can solve for the B. And our B is this. You should evaluate this. 2 star 1. So let's check on the table. 2 star 1 is 4 plus 2 star 3 is 3. Okay, so 4 plus 3 is 7. Good. It's 7. I. N star, bracket open, N star 3 is 3. So you have to check the table. What should we do? So you can take it one after the other to check it. Let's start with 1. So 1, then star 1, 3, you get 3. So what's the answer? Is undefined. Why? Because for the bracket first, 1 star 3, 1 star 3 is 0, then 1 star is 0. We don't have 0 here. That's why we say it's undefined. Good. So let's move on to 2. Okay. So 2 star 3, 2 star 3 is 3. Then we go again, 2 star 3 is 3. So the answer is 3. Good. Again, 3 star 3. So all of them. So 3 star 3 is 1. Then 3 star 3 is 1. So this one, 3 star 3 is 1. Then we come again, 3 star 1. So 3 star 1 is 0. Good. Then let's try 4. And n is 4. 4 star. We did the one in the bracket first. 3 is 4. Okay. Then 4 here. Then 4 star 4 again is 3. So it's 3. Good. So from here, our n is 2 or 4. So when n was 2, we had 3. And when n was 4, we had 3. So that's for our n from the table. So the true set is n is said that n is 2 or 4. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. Our third example under Modulo Arithmetic. So we are still on Modulo Arithmetic Table, and we are going to do it modulo plus binary combine. So this is a question, okay, and this is even a past question. The operation star is defined on the set 2, 4, 6. So this operation, m star n is the unit digit in the product mn. Copy and complete the table. Use your table to solve I, and I. So you are going to solve this. So our table, we have to fill the table first. So this is what giving the definition. M star n is the unit digit in the product mn. So you have to solve for the table. So I'll start from here. 4 star 2 is we don't know. So it means that I say that is the product of the unit digit of the product of mn. So it means that 4 times 2 is 8. Good. And the unit digit is 8. So that's the answer, 8. Then here is 8. Good. So 4 again, 4 star 6, that's 4 times 6 is 24. Good. And it said the unit digit in the product mn. So the unit digit is here is 4. This is the unit digit, and this one is what? Tens. Okay. The unit digit here is, so the unit digit here is 4. Good. So that one is 4. Very nice. Then 6 star 2. That's 6 times 2. 6 to 12. And the unit digit is 2. Then 6 star 4. That's 6 times 4 is 24. The unit digit here is 4. 6 star 6. That's 6 times 6 is 36. In the indicated here is 6. Good. So you are done with the table. Now, B. Use the table to solve the equation I. So from the table, S star 4 is 8. So you have to look for S. So a number star 4 will give us 8. So let's look for 4. We have 8 here. It means that 2 star 4 is 8. So our S is 8. I. E star E is E. It means that a number star itself get the same number. Okay. So E star E is E, which in the table 2 star 2 is 4. No. 4 star 4 is 6. No. 6 star 6 is 6. So it's 6. So 6 star 6 is 6. So therefore our S is 6. I. 4 star F bracket close star 4 is F. So this one, you have to take it one after the other because it will be difficult. So F is 2. F is 2. Let's check it. So 4 here. 4 star 2 is 8. Then 8, we don't have 8 here, star 4. So this one to be undefined. We don't know. So it will be undefined. So let's check 4. 4 star 4 is 6. Then 6 here, star 4 is 4. Okay, so 4 star 4 is 6. So you are saying that 4 star 4 star 4 is 6. 4 star 4 is 6. Then the 6 star the 4 is 4. Very easy from the table. So that one is 4. Let's check the 6. So here 4 star 6 is what? 4 star 6 is 6. Then lastly, then 6 star the 4 is also 6 star 4 is 4. This is what we are saying. Okay. So 4 star 6 is 4. Then 4 star 4 is 6. So therefore our F is 4 or 6. 4 or 6. Okay. Thank you for watching. So we are done with Modulo Arithmetic. We have come a long way. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video and like my videos for more video. Bye bye. Bye. Nice to meet you. Subscribe to Snapper's, my YouTube channel.